Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's Unity's beginner's guide I'm going to be going over how to make a joystick. So as you can see at the bottom, we've got an outer ring and then an inner ring to make the joystick. So these are just images which I found online, so I don't actually own the rights to them. I imported them into Unity and then I changed the settings on them because when you import anything into Unity it needs to be changed. The character I modelled in 3D modelling software, so I modelled this in Blender. I used it for a different game that I used, and then I wanted to test out how to do a joystick because I ended up having to make a mobile game for one of my assignments, so I was testing how to do a joystick before we actually put it into a different game that we did. So this was just my little test of how to do it. So once you've imported the images, you'd obviously just drag and drop them into the hierarchy, and the same with your player. This is the joystick code. So we've got a public transform for the player, the speed that the player can move, and then I've got different points. I made a public transform for the outer circle and the inner circle, and this is for the input, so what input we have, camera, and just some more about the speed. So if I test it, I'll show you what it actually looks like when you play it. So the reason why you'd maybe want a joystick as controls is if you're making a mobile game, obviously you may want to have a joystick to be able to move a character or to be able to shoot. So if I move, you can see the joystick has appeared. If I move this way, my player moves down, up, and this works with controller input as well as mouse input. So that's basically how to do a joystick. It's not too difficult once you have the assets and you know kind of what code you need to sort of get the joystick to work how you want it to. You can always alter the code based on what you need. You could have two joysticks, one joystick to move the character, one to maybe move the camera or to shoot or to do something else. So that's the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video.